My home up here in the middle of the Pacific Northwest, inland Northwest mountains, and it's approximately 9 o'clock at night, and there's been some weird sounds in the air lately. This is a lot of humming going on, but this is a new one. I've been outside, it's just coming from absolutely everywhere. Absolutely like nothing I have ever heard. I'm quite remote. I'm 15 miles from anything. So whatever that is, it's a trip. it, I don't know what the hell that is, but it is a trip. We'll go outside briefly and see if it's pretty wild. That stopped again. It's been starting and stopping for about the last 10 minutes. I thought it was the low voltage alarm on my inverter at very first. And you can hear the ambient humming. This sounds like the hum that everybody talks about. It never stops. And that weird sound that started the video with. I don't know if that's coming through, but it's just humming away too. Something's going to give on this planet. Something big.